everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, as you all know that I do shave my body and I'm not afraid of that anymore. So shaving cream is something that I have to buy on a very regular basis. So in today's video, I'm going to show you and teach you how to make a customized shaving cream. And this DIY is super fun. It's very easy to make and it just takes 2 minutes to whip up all the ingredients. And these ingredients are probably something that you already have at your house. You don't have to go to the store. It'll save your penny and a trip to the market to buy the shaving cream. So let's get started. Now all you need for this DIY is half a cup of shampoo, 1 cup conditioner. Now conditioner is very soothing inside out and it'll make the cream foamy and thick. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil adds that extra moisture and smoothness for the skin. And a few drops of tea tree oil, say about 7 to 8 of them. Tea tree is in fact an ingredient that controls the ingrown hair. So just mix all the ingredients really well, and the idea here is to keep the mixture in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes to 1 hour to let it all set and infuse within each other, and that's it. It's ready to be used. Take a little bit and spread it across your skin and then use the razor in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I'll give you a closer look to show the difference. Now this part is all shaved and the part above this is the one which is not shaved, and the shaved part looks much more cleaner, softer and smoother, while the non-shaved area looks very dry. And you will notice that the skin is super soft. I've just shaved my entire body using this DIY and my skin is very smooth and baby soft. You won't feel any itchiness or irritation or any dryness on your skin, and to be honest, you don't even need to hydrate your skin after this shaving routine because the ingredients in this DIY are all very moisturizing and hydrating to the skin. They keep the skin really soft and smooth. So however, you can actually hydrate your skin using a moisturizer or anything after the routine, but you don't need anything, trust me. So I hope you enjoyed this simple, quick and very useful DIY. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you super soon. Take care. Bye.